In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. You might have heard, you might have seen the people who are exaggerating a lot about themselves, about their possessions, about their achievements, about how they are treated and respected by important people, our general public. Exaggeration about their profile, exaggeration about their achievements. After seeing a person like this one, after listening to their talks, their conversation, what do you feel about them? What do you think about them? Obviously, you lose respect for them, or at least the respect is not created for them in your mind and heart. After seeing and after listening, although what they are trying to do is the purpose behind their such an exaggerated claims is to create respect in the mind and the hearts of the people. The purpose is to impress the people. But as a matter of fact, it is quite a counterproductive move. Almost all the people who are sensible enough, they will disapprove you. They will disapprove. They will disapprove you. No, they will disapprove a person like this one. Exaggerated claims about them, and even at a place where it is not needed. Simply the purpose is to impress the people, to impress the listeners, to impress the seers. It needs only common sense and not much of the intelligence to understand the people like this one. It might take a bit of time, but ultimately, those people are exposed. Those people are actually creating a disrespect in the mind and hearts of the people. Instead of creating the respect, they wanted to create the respect, but what they got is the disrespect. Whether those people argue with you or not, although some of the people will argue with, with a person like this one, all the people are not so good listeners. All the people don't remain silent. Some of the people do speak, and some of the people do reject their claims. Some of the people ridicule them in front of them. While the people who are intelligent, the people who are more sensible, they don't speak a word against what they claim, against what they say. But they don't respect them. They don't respect them. They feel that these are not the good people, this is a nonsense person. A person applied for the USA visa, USA tourist visa. He was being sent by the company he was working in. During the interview, he was asked that what are your properties and provide us with the documents of your properties here in Pakistan so that we could feel sure that you will return from the USA and you will not stick to that place. You will not overstay. This man, although he did have several properties in Islamabad, but he replied, I don't have any property. Once he said, I don't have any property, he didn't have to prove it. He didn't have to present the documents of those properties. So he made the things easier for him. Still, he got the USA visa, tourist visa. Why? Because the interviewers, they are sensible enough. Although they are cheated sometime as well, but generally speaking, they are sensible enough. And since they are interacting with the people, since they are interviewing all the time with the people of Pakistan, so it is not very difficult to understand the people, whether the interviewee is an honest man or a dishonest person, whether he is speaking the truth, whether he is speaking the lie. Also, they can judge from the eyes of the interviewee whether he she is speaking the truth or he she is speaking the lie. A girl, a sensible girl, was asked by a boy who was interested in her, "What have you done? What is your qualification?" She replied, "Nothing," although she was educated. I think the people who are found making the exaggerated claims about their achievements, about their possessions, these are nonsense people. Because what they are doing is counterproductive. It is not productive, it is counterproductive. So instead of impressing the people, the other people get disimpressed. So instead of creating the respect in the mind and heart of the people, they end up creating the disrespect in the mind and the hearts of the people. So that is why it is counterproductive. There are another type of people. Although they don't lie, although they don't exaggerate, but still they are telling their achievements, their possessions at a place where it is not needed. They are showing their possession, their achievement, their social status, etc., etc., at a place where it is not needed. Although they are not lying, but still I think the people don't like them. Still, the sensible people don't like them because they are telling it unnecessarily, they are showing it unnecessarily. Why? To impress the people, to create a kind of respect in the mind and the hearts of the people who are listening, the mind and heart of the people who are seeing it. Why don't you want to show them? Why don't you want them to listen all about that? I think the right thing is not to speak, not to tell anything about yourself unnecessarily. And not only this thing, I think a person should be very careful and very cautious once he she is telling about oneself or once he she is talking about someone else. In both the cases, I think so. It is necessary to be cautious and to be careful. And while disclosing the things about yourself, it is very important to remain careful and very important to remain cautious. And never exaggerate, never tell your achievements at a place on an occasion where it is absolutely not needed, not necessary. And do tell, do disclose, do show as much as necessary and not beyond that. Thank you very much.